Dashing through the snow on a pair of broken skis. Over the hills we go, crashing into trees. The snow is turning red. I think I'm nearly dead. Woke up in the hospital with stitches in my head. Welcome back to the Weather Desk. And yes, I know that song's going to be stuck in your head for the rest of the day. It is what it is. All right. Good Sunday morning to you. And here's a look at the weather conditions across the United States for this December the 7th. And on this day, Pearl Harbor was under attack by the Japanese at 7 a.m. The lives of many changed forever that day in history, which started another war. Just a little bit of history for you. All right. Looking at the Great Lakes in the northeast area, looking at cold and snowy conditions continue to wrap up around the backside of this departing system. And looking at the lake effect, snow showers lingered downwind of the Great Lakes, and it could see around 1 to 3 inches in the snow belts. Highs only in the upper 20s to mid 30s, and looking at wind chills in the teens. And checking out the mid-Atlantic area, quiet into the weekend, mostly cloudy with a few light flurries possible. Highs in the 40s to the north, and in the 50s near the coastline, and the winds be light. Now checking out the southeast forecast, looking at mild and pleasant for early December. Partly sunny with highs in the upper 60s to mid 70s, and warmer in the southern part of Florida, and breezy at times along the coastal line area. Checking out the Gulf Coast area, looking at rain chances continue as a stalled boundary sets nearby. Looking at scattered showers from the eastern Texas through Louisiana and into Mississippi. Rainfall will be light to moderate, and highs in the upper 60s to the low 70s. And your Midwest and Central Plains forecast. Looking at chilly but quiet start to the day. Mostly cloudy with a few light snow showers to the north. Highs in the 20s and low 30s and upper 30s, near 40 degrees in the southern part. But the winds be calmer. Checking out the northern plains, reinforcing the cold air continues to drop south. Looking at flurries and light snow possible, highs in the teens to the low 20s, and wind chills in the single digits. So bundle up if you got to be outside today. And looking at your southwest area, sunny and dry conditions dominate with the highs in the 60s to 70s and near 80 in part of Arizona. Looking at clear skies, and the winds will be light. And the Pacific Northwest area, another round of moisture moves in. Rain near the coast with snow in the Cascades above 3,500 feet, and highs in the 40s and 50s, and increasing winds near the coastline. And moving into the Rockies, looking at light snow at the higher elevations, snow showers mainly in Wyoming and Colorado. Looking at highs in the 20s to 30s in the mountains, and to the 40 degree area in the lower valley. Okay, India, now let's take a look at your forecast. Temperature this morning on this Sunday morning is 31 degrees. And for your Sunday, you're looking at a chance of snow and freezing rain before noon. Then a slight chance of snow between noon and 1 p.m. Cloudy with a high near 37 degrees. Wind's going to be light and variable coming out of the northwest at 5 to 7 miles per hour this morning. And chance of precipitation is 40%. Not really looking at any snow accumulation. Just kind of watch the roadways if you have to be out this morning. And for your Sunday night, mostly cloudy with the low around 13 degrees. Winds out of the northeast at around 8 miles per hour. Wind gusts as high as 20 miles per hour tonight. And moving into your Monday for a new work week for those that have to go back to work. Mostly sunny with a high near 26 degrees. Winds out of the east at 3 to 6 miles per hour. And Monday night, partly cloudy with a low around 16 degrees. Winds will be calm coming out of the south at around 5 to 8 miles per hour around midnight. And Tuesday, partly sunny with a high near 38 degrees. Winds out of southwest at 16 miles per hour. And Tuesday night, looking at a chance of rain after 1 a.m., mostly cloudy with a low around 33 degrees. Chance of rain is 40%. And checking out your midweek forecast for Wednesday, we have a chance of rain moves into the forecast towards the afternoon. And then changing over to from rain to snow, mostly cloudy with a high near 42 degrees. Winds out of the west at 19 miles per hour. I am looking at a 50% chance. Wednesday night, chance of rain and snow continues before 1 a.m. Then changing over to snow, mostly cloudy with a low around 24 degrees. Chance of precipitation is 30%. Right now, I'm not sure how much we're going to get. If rain and snow mix, probably won't amount to a whole lot, but we'll keep you up to date on it. Looking at Thursday, chance of snow, mostly cloudy with a low around 31 degrees. Winds out of the west at 8 miles per hour. Chance of snow is 40%. And Thursday night, mostly cloudy with a low around 18 degrees. Hey, stay safe. Have a good day out there. Be sure to help me out with buy me a cup of coffee. Do appreciate that and appreciate everybody gives me a thumbs up. With that, have a good Sunday.